here for a repair attempt at 3960 Bluffman Chase. Okay.
Alrighty. So the damaged shingle that we're going to be removing is this hail damage here, and that shingle goes from this seam over to here. So we'll make sure that's up. Got my trusty little crowbar here. And it's ripped right there, just for showing the brittleness of the shingle. Rip there as well, and now that part's up. Rip there.
Just ripping.
That's what I was running into last time.
Painter it. I can solve it for sure. Imagine there's going to be some material transfer on that one.
Yeah.
So you're using your arm.
I mean, short of it just all ripping, as far as getting underneath it and getting the nails.
One could argue at that point it's not repairable.
Yeah, no, I agree.
I mean,
yeah. Because I'm trying to remove this shingle and to lift this one up. That's where I'm having the trouble. So it's already ripping, as you can tell here. I'm trying to get underneath it to lift it up to get the other nails out.
it's really good.
I just don't know how far I can get with, I found a nail.
Speaking of Watson,
here. I just don't, this is like,
I mean, it's not repairable. You're damaging.
oh,
I mean, the
right. So do you want to stop the
I
video?
kind of think at the condition of the shingles that the adjuster should see.
Yeah.
It's not repairable.
Right. So I shouldn't keep going
And
trying to remove the
correct
thing. Yeah.
until.
Gotcha. So
Agreed.
all right.
Yep.